Welcome to the first tutorial video of Free the Planet Canada. I am passionate about all things technology, and I would love to share my acquired knowledge and expertise with the world. The following tutorial is for info and troubleshooting Windows Security's core isolation options built into OEM copies of Windows. I'm currently on Windows 10 Pro. A known issue is that certain drivers can cause conflicts with the activation of this feature. In my case, it was an ftdi driver, example on screen of other drivers. You must remove the driver, but you installed it manually or made multiple installations under one device manually can also trigger this. Simply uninstalling via Device Manager isn't enough. Take note of the OEM number and driver name from the conflicting driver when trying to enable core isolation feature. The following Windows PowerShell admin commands are built into Windows by default and are not harmful if executed correctly, and you've done your research. Please note commands are case sensitive. Refer to commands in the description. All must be run as admin PowerShell. Plug and play utility commands are as follows. Press enter. We are looking for the ftdi according to core isolation, and in my case, there are two. To do the same command but filter only what you want to see is the following command after pipe similar to Linux's grep command. Will you ftdi as an example? You should see all the installed drivers with ftdi and name with the maximum result. In this care there are two. To delete one driver at a time, do the following PowerShell commands. You should see success for both. If you don't, remove the device, then uninstall the driver device in the Device Manager, and then return to this step. Now you should be able to enable it. Commands are available on my GitHub link. Click the link in description of the video to show more. Just a note, I do take requests on tutorials. Please leave a comment for any tech support. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.